Join the campaign for reform.
Come to school because the school wants them to have a life-changing experience, a culture of continuous improvement and innovation, a culture where a teacher or staff member's hobbies can be shared with the children. This confluence of cultures is what I have observed at the Banneker. The school leader operates her organization like a family farm. Roles are understood, the hierarchy is accepted, the benefits of membership for student and teachers are well known, and Banneker families recognize that their children are well cared for and trained for the world they will face. But Banneker is the exception, a rare find, outperforming the most rigorous state standards in the country with a student body that is having fun learning and clearly demonstrating that economic circumstance does not have to predict academic outcome.
Thank you.
We'll take some questions.
I have a question.
Somebody turn on the light so we're not.
So I have a question. I think that, first of all, I want to commend you guys for the work that you're doing in Boston, and to the teachers that are present. Keep up the great work, because as a model of success that has students that look just like us, it's a success for all of us, so I commend you all. I have a...
Do you have innovative leadership? Because without innovative leadership, you're making changes around the edges. You're not making real change.
Join the campaign for reform.